because this neighborhood is very lively, especially this area close to Columbus Square. And on weekdays, that is the street of your embassy, and at the same time, it's the street for the brand shops in Madrid. There you have Louis Vuitton, Yves Saint Laurent, Gucci, Cartier, Prada, Loewe, and so on and on and on and on. We are taking that street. Next, we take left. Just in front of us, we have Columbus Square that we crossed. We are getting close, and you're seeing that on your left, right? Just behind the fountain that we have in front is the Prado Promenade. We'll drive on Prado Promenade next. There's where, in this area is where we have most of the important museums and art galleries in Madrid, including Prado Museum that is on Prado Promenade, right? Take a look at the España. That gate was originally the East Gate of Madrid. It was built in the 18th century as the Pretty Gate. The city had others, had 6 more gates at that time. You know that the last of the city walls was demolished in 1868, and they decided Sands Square. Will be the end of our tour, Sands Square, right? Just for you to get your bearings. Take a look at the left, the front side of the city hall, the beautiful fountain ahead. Pedestrian. That's why the second half of the tour will be on foot, right? And we'll finish at the beginning of this street. This street is Alcala. This time of the day, in my opinion, is the best time to go there, otherwise it's so crowded. So next we take right. As we take right, you're seeing the gate again on your left. Because there we have the musicals, the theaters, and so on, as you will see later on. There are